Hey everybody, for today's video we're going to be talking about wine openers. We have two wine openers. We have our manual wine opener and we have our electric wine opener. I'm going to show you how they work. Let's open some wine. The first one I'm going to show you is our manual wine opener. It comes in this little pouch and it comes with a foil cutter. So all you do is you grasp it in your palm, squeeze tight, spin the bottle around, and the foil is cut. You grab the wine opener here, lift the handle, squeeze in here. You can see that it will fit a variety of bottles. Blink and you'll miss it because you just go down and up and the wine is opened. To remove the cork, you just push the handle down, grab right here and give it a pull, and here is the cork. Easy peasy. Very quick and very, very easy. But if you have problems with your hands, arthritis, carpal tunnel, or you just want to have wine on the go, not in a car, you can use our electric wine opener. A 1-hour charge will open 60 bottles of wine. So this is perfect for camping, tailgating, or any time you want to open a quick bottle of wine. The base comes with the foil cutter built in. Same concept. You squeeze on top, spin it around, and the foil is cut. With this one, you're going to push the down button, and this is going to illuminate with the blue light. Push down a little bit, and you'll notice that the cork pops right up. Very easy. Then you push the up button, and it will drop the cork just like so. Okay? My friend tells me that she loves the little blue light so she can hide in her pantry and open wine while hiding from her children. Whatever you want to do. It's very easy with the Pampered Chef.